Having a hard time.
感到很困难。
Having a hard time. Having a hard time. We are having a hard time finding parking.
我们很难找到停车位。
We are having a hard time finding parking. We are having a hard time finding parking. I'm having a hard time sleeping lately.
我最近很难入睡。
I'm having a hard time sleeping lately. I'm having a hard time sleeping lately. It's not up to me.
这不是我能。
It's not up to me. It's not up to me. It's not up to me to decide.
这不是我能决定的。
It's not up to me to decide. It's not up to me to decide. It's not up to me to change the rules.
修改规则并非由我决定。
It's not up to me to change the rules. It's not up to me to change the rules. You are supposed to.
你应该。
You are supposed to. You are supposed to. You are supposed to wear a uniform.
你应该穿制服。
You are supposed to wear a uniform. You are supposed to wear a uniform. We are supposed to finish today.
我们今天应该完成工作。
We are supposed to finish today. We are supposed to finish today. No matter what you say.
无论你怎么说。
No matter what you say. No matter what you say. No matter what you say, I trust him.
无论你怎么说，我都信任他。
No matter what you say, I trust him. No matter what you say, I trust him. No matter what you say, I won't change my mind.
无论你怎么说，我都不会改变主意。
No matter what you say, I won't change my mind. No matter what you say, I won't change my mind. It makes me feel.
这让我感到。
It makes me feel. It makes me feel. His words make me feel confident.
他的话让我感到自信。
His words make me feel confident. His words make me feel confident. This music makes me feel sad.
这首音乐让我感到悲伤。
This music makes me feel sad. This music makes me feel sad. There's no need to.
没必要。
There's no need to. There's no need to. There's no need to hurry.
没必要着急。
There's no need to hurry. There's no need to hurry. There's no need to apologize.
没必要道歉。
There's no need to apologize. There's no need to apologize. Believe it or not.
信不信由你。
Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, I can cook well.
信不信由你，我厨艺不错。
Believe it or not, I can cook well. Believe it or not, I can cook well. Believe it or not, he is 80 years old.
信不信由你，他已经80岁了。
Believe it or not, he is 80 years old. Believe it or not, he is 80 years old. I'm grateful for.
我很感激。
I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for your help.
我很感激你的帮助。
I'm grateful for your help. I'm grateful for your help. She is grateful for the opportunity.
他很感激这个机会。
She is grateful for the opportunity. She is grateful for the opportunity. As urgently as possible.
尽快。
As urgently as possible. As urgently as possible. Please reply as urgently as possible.
请尽快回复。
Please reply as urgently as possible. Please reply as urgently as possible. Call the doctor as urgently as possible.
请尽快联络医生。
Call the doctor as urgently as possible. Call the doctor as urgently as possible. I'm really excited about.
我非常期待，感到非常兴奋。
I'm really excited about. I'm really excited about. I'm really excited about the holiday.
我对这次假期非常期待。
I'm really excited about the holiday. I'm really excited about the holiday. We are really excited about the concert.
我们对这场音乐会感到非常兴奋。
We are really excited about the concert. We are really excited about the concert. She is so.
她太。
She is so. She is so. She is so kind that everyone likes her.
她人太好，大家都喜欢她。
She is so kind that everyone likes her. She is so kind that everyone likes her. She is so tired that she slept early.
她太累了，所以早早就睡了。
She is so tired that she slept early. She is so tired that she slept early. It's no secret that.
不是秘密，众所周知。
It's no secret that. It's no secret that. It's no secret that he loves football.
他喜欢足球这件事不是秘密。
It's no secret that he loves football. It's no secret that he loves football. It's no secret that prices are rising.
物价上涨已不是秘密。
It's no secret that prices are rising. It's no secret that prices are rising. I'm willing to.
我愿意。
I'm willing to. I'm willing to. I'm willing to try again.
我愿意再试一次。
I'm willing to try again. I'm willing to try again. He is willing to wait longer.
他愿意多等一会儿。
He is willing to wait longer. He is willing to wait longer. It's unlikely that.
不太可能。
It's unlikely that. It's unlikely that. It's unlikely that it will rain today.
今天不太可能下雨。
It's unlikely that it will rain today. It's unlikely that it will rain today. It's unlikely that he forgot the meeting.
他不太可能忘了这场会议。
It's unlikely that he forgot the meeting. It's unlikely that he forgot the meeting. I'm not used to.
我不习惯。
I'm not used to. I'm not used to. I'm not used to waking up early.
我不习惯早起。
I'm not used to waking up early. I'm not used to waking up early. We are not used to cold weather.
我们不习惯寒冷的天气。
We are not used to cold weather. We are not used to cold weather. Even though.
虽然。
Even though. Even though. Even though it was raining, we walked outside.
虽然下着雨，我们还是出去散步了。
Even though it was raining, we walked outside. Even though it was raining, we walked outside. Even though he was exhausted, he continued working.
尽管他精疲力尽，他仍继续工作。
Even though he was exhausted, he continued working. Even though he was exhausted, he continued working.